Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. In this video, you will learn how to create a pop-out video in Elementor. So let's get started with this video. We will create a pop-up first, and then in the second step, we will connect that pop-up to a button on a specific page. To create a pop-up, hover on to templates and click on a pop-up in your dashboard. Now, here simply click on add new pop-up. You can select the type of template as a pop-up if not selected by default. After that, give your pop-up template a name. Once done, click on Create a Template. Now, you can select any pop-ups pre-made templates from here. I won't select any template as of now. Here in the Builder area, when clicking on Settings, you can adjust the width of the pop-up here. You can also set the height as per your need. If you select a custom height, then enter the same here. From here, you can select the content position. You can also add entrance as well as exit animations from here. Set the duration of your animations here. Once done, let's move next to General Settings, where you can edit the title of the pop-up. Coming next to the Style tab, here you can style your pop-up by configuring these settings. You can also set an image or just a color as an overlay. Once done, moving next to the Advanced tab, you can find additional settings over here. These are self-explanatory, you can set these as per your requirement. Now let me create a row and add a video widget to this space like this. Let's configure the video settings to make it look more professional. Let's set the margin and padding first. Moving to the Advanced tab of video settings, you can adjust the margin or the padding from here. I will change the pop-up height as needed. Let me adjust the pop-up padding as well to make the video fit in this properly. Once you are satisfied with all the changes, simply click on Publish button. Here, you can set the condition where you want to display this pop-up template on your site. Moving to the Triggers tab, you can set the options that users need to do to open the pop-up. I am setting it on click. You can set the number of clicks as well. Once done, click on the Next button here. Now, click on Save and Close. Moving to the second step of the process, let's add a button to a page and connect this pop-up to that button. To do so, move back to the WordPress admin dashboard. Hover on to Pages and click on Add New. Here, let me add a title to my page. I will simply set the content layout. After that, let's disable the page title. Also, I will disable the breadcrumbs. Once you are done, click on the Schedule button. Now, let's edit the page with Elementor. I am adding a row here. Before adding any widget, let's configure section settings. Once done, let's drop the button widget here in the Builder area. I am configuring the button settings from here, like setting the alignment and editing the button text from here. You can also add an icon from here. I will simply add a play icon. Now, under the Style tab, it's time to edit the color of the button. You can set button radius and button padding from here. Let me configure the typography controls. You can design your page as per your requirement. Once you are done with the changes in the style of the button, move back to the Content tab. Here you can see settings related to the link. From here you can just click on this small button over here and the link pop up to this button. Now, how to link the pop-up we made? Simply click here and now search for your pop-up here by its title name. You can see I have selected the template here. Once done, click on the update button. Now let's view the page from the front end. You can see here, when clicked on the Watch Now button, it displays a pop-up containing a video. So this was all about how you can add a pop-up video in Elementor.
I hope you liked this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your questions. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.
Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now, to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.